Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be installing something I think that's pretty cool in the Lancer. It's basically an upgrade to the existing double din deck I have. It's a bigger size, better memory, bigger storage I believe as well. And it has a feature in there that I did not know it had until I basically installed it. So let's take a quick look at it and let me show you how cool this thing is.
Since Nilfgaard took Abbey, legend is true. The Wild Hunt's years.
When you're dealing with any electronics or anything electrical in your car, if you want to install or remove, please make sure and remove the negative terminal of your car battery before continuing. Let's go. Because I already have an aftermarket deck installed, they usually come with these labels on the wires. So if you don't have an aftermarket label stereo installed, then I would suggest you check out the video up here so that you can take a look at how to install an aftermarket deck with a car that has a stock radio. One thing I would like to mention is, well, if you haven't seen it already from the previous video, is when you're changing out your, well, for the first time, when you're changing out the original deck that came with the car, an aftermarket one, there are these universal adapters that you can purchase, which will convert the old wiring harness color scheme into the universal color scheme. This helps a lot with certain labels or certain wires which are for the speakers, right? So you have, for example, your, I don't know if you could read that, front left positive, front left negative. You have right left, I mean sorry, rear left speaker positive, and right front right speaker positive, you know. So there are certain wires that would be difficult to find otherwise, so that's why you have your different color schemes to just match your wires accordingly. Right, so I have basically everything connected here. It's not the prettiest, but it's secure, functional, and what I'll do afterwards is I'll just bunch them together and do one more tape around it, so that just in case, just a little extra precaution, so that nothing could slip out, you know. So yeah, all right, let's go ahead and continue. other cables that I got with the new double din deck, these wires, which are for display unit, I believe, video and audio cable. So if you have any other speakers that you want to, you know, plug into this, you could do that and control it by the touchscreen deck. This is the two USB cables that you get, data cables / power cables. So if you want to, you know, load a flash drive onto your deck or something like that, or run a software update, you use this. And I see we have another one here. This one is to connect your phone, I see. It's called Phone Link USB. And then of course we have the deck itself. Now, one thing I did notice is that I didn't get any mounting hardware with this deck, so I'll go ahead and use the old one to hopefully mount it, and hopefully it should all line up. So let's see. Alright, so let's go ahead and connect the main wires. We also have two other things that came with it. We have the speaker, well, sorry, the microphone. We have a GPS antenna. Let's go ahead and turn this on and see if it works. Go ahead and disarm the alarm. And there we have it, guys, how to install a 13-inch touchscreen double din deck with auto rotating function and all kinds of other features. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And of course, thank you to Cidava for providing this unit for me to make this video for you guys. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check them out and check out the other products that they have. Anyways guys, take care and see you all in the next one.